Now, vulvar verb to want, clear? The moment
Mm-hmm.
you convert vulvar verb, okay, with, I want, you want, you have to understand the conjugation. I can say je veux, yes. You
Je
know,
veux.
is to I want. Vulvar is my full verb to want, okay?
अलग door लाना.
Vulvar
Okay.
is my full verb to want. But if I will say I want, I can say je veux. If you will,
Je veux.
yes, you want, tu veux, clear?
Tu veux.
We have he, she wants, elle
Il,
veut.
elle veut.
Okay. We want,
Okay.
we have nous voulons, clear.
Okay.
Vous voulez, clear. And
Okay.
elle veulent. Elle veulent. Is it clear to you, Vandana?
Yes.
One thing you have to understand. Repeat after me. Je veux,
Je veux.
tu veux,
Tu veux.
elle veut,
Il, elle veut.
nous voulons,
Nous voulons.
vous voulez,
Vous voulez.
elle veulent.
Il, elle veulent.
Yes, one. Is it clear to you? Now, for
Yes.
example, if you will say, you want something else, you say in English, you want something else. You say, tell me, you want
Mm.
something else. Say, Claire, what is you want? That is
Je vais.
chuva.
Tu veux. Tu veux.
Chuva. What is something else? Something. Quelque chose. Repeat after me. Quelque chose. 1 second, please. Yeah, 1 second, 1 second, Vandana. Tu veux quelque chose. Repeat after me. Quelque chose. Literally,
Quelque chose.
literally meaning of quelque chose is something. I will say
Okay.
quelque chose. Repeat after me. Quelque chose. Can you repeat, please?
Quelque chose.
Quelque chose is something.
Okay.
Yes. Basically, shows. Shows is my word to think. Think.
Okay.
Shows my thing. Quelque chose. Tu veux quelque chose? You want something?
Quelque chose.
Say Claire.
Okay.
Tu veux quelque
Yeah.
chose? If I will say tu veux quelqu'un. Repeat after me, quelqu'un. Repeat after me, quelqu'un. Repeat, please.
Tu veux quelqu'un.
Yes, repeat after me. Quelqu'un, quelque chose. Repeat after me. Quelqu'un,
Quelqu'un.
quelque chose,
Quelqu'un.
quelque
Quelque
chose. Basically,
quelque
language is based
chose.
upon your where. Now, how you get a grip in the language. It is based upon the technique you want to speak up. Now, for example, if I will say, you want someone. If I will say,
Hmm.
ask you, Vandana, you want someone. Tu veux quelqu'un. Quelqu'un is someone.
Okay.
Literally meaning of
Quelqu'un.
quelqu'un is someone and quelque chose is something. Is it clear to you?
Okay.
Now, for example, if you say, I want something in writing. You say in English, tell me yes and no.
Yes.
I want something. I want something in maybe. I want something in writing. I want something in blah blah. Is it clear to you?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So what is I want? What is I want?
Jovex. Jova.
So je veux quelque chose. Je veux quelque chose
Quelque chose.
par écrit. Repeat after me. Let me write it down for you. Par écrit. Say Claire. एक सेकंड मत ना होल्ड करना प्लीज. Je veux quelque chose par écrit. Vandana, one thing you have to understand, bache, écrit is my verb to write. Écrit. Can you repeat, please?
Hmm.
Écrit.
Écrire.
We have verb écrire. Écrire is my full verb to write, and now you have to understand the verbs. Écrire. Can you repeat, please?
Écrire.
Repeat after me. Écrire is my verb to write. Écrire. Can you repeat, please?
Écrire.
Yes, and this E we have a symbol. This E we have a symbol. See, Vanna, you know what? In French language, we have a conjugation. If you have a better understanding for a conjugation, you can make your sentences. Now, for example, écrire is my full verb to write. Also, there will be a conjugation of écrire. I write, you know. So how to write with this? So I can say j'écris. Repeat after me. J'écris is
J'écris.
one thing you have to understand. Écrire is my full verb to write. The moment we convert I write, I can say je écris. So that RE would convert it into S that I have to learn for this, my ending. Is it clear?
Okay.
Now, for
And
example, we have two vowels together. Okay. I can say, I will eliminate one vowel and I will say j'écris.
okay.
Repeat after me. Tu écris. Repeat after me.
Tu écrire.
And E, we have a symbol. Is it clear to you?
Okay.
Clear? Vandana, आपको समझ आ रहा है बच्चे सारा?
Yes.
L, we have écrit. We have a T ending. These, now for example, if you take Hindi language example, you have learned all those. Now, पढ़ना, मैं पढ़ता हूँ, तू पढ़ती है, ता तेती. My full verb is पढ़ना, ending is na. So you convert all these things in Hindi also. But because this is your language, so you don't feel, yes, I'm converting you, because this is you learn by heart, right? So
Yeah.
in French, again, we have a conjugation. So, j'écris, tu écris, il elle écrit. Can you repeat, please?
J'écris. Tu
Tu
écris.
écris, elle écrit.
Écrire.
Nous écrivons. Let me write it down for you. I will write down one entire thing now. Now, first, to understand, écrire is my verb to write. Repeat after me, écrire. Okay?
Écrire. Yeah.
Yes. And the moment I will conjugate écrire verb, I can say j'écris, tu écris, elle écrit, nous écrivons, vous écrivez, elles écrivent. This is my conjugation of, to write.
Écrire. Yeah, okay.
If you will say, I write something, what you will say? J'écris quelque chose. Say Claire.
J'écrire. It's quelque chose.
Yes, j'écris quelque chose. Quelque chose is something.
Something.
Say Claire. If you will say you write something, what you will say? Tu écris quelque chose?
Tu écris.
Yes, parlez après moi. Tu écris quelque chose?
Tu écris
No,
quelque
no, no.
chose.
Tu écris. Repeat after me. Tu écris.
Tu écris
Quelque chose.
quelque chose.
Elle écrit quelque chose. Repeat after me.
Elle écrit quelque chose.
Clear? Nous écrivons quelque chose. Repeat after me.
Nous écrivons quelque chose.
Vous écrivez quelque chose.
Vous écrivez
quelque chose.
Vous écrivez quelque chose.
Elles écrivent quelque chose. Repeat after me.
Elles écrivent
quelque chose. Now repeat after me. J'écris quelque chose, tu écris quelque chose, elle écrit quelque chose. Repeat, please. Because language will, only you will get a flow the moment you will speak out. So repeat after me. J'écris quelque chose.
J'écris quelque chose. Tu écris quelque chose.
But see, écrire, no écrire, écrit. Because écrire is already been converted into écrit with j'écris. C'est clair.
Okay. Okay.
Clear, bache? See, écrire is my full verb to write. The moment I will break the word, it is converted into j'écris, tu écris. Is it clear to you?
Okay.
Clear, bache?
So it's gonna be écrire.
Yes, bache.
Hmm.
J'écris quelque chose. Tu écris quelque
J'écris.
chose. Mhm. Il, elle
Il,
écrit quelque chose. Yes, yes.
nous écrivons quelque chose.
Vous écrivez quelque chose.
Vous écrivez quelque chose.
And ils, elles écrivent quelque chose. C'est clair?
Elles écrivent quelque chose.
C'est clair?
Yeah.
If I will say, I write someone, maybe. Clear? J'écris quelqu'un. J'écris quelqu'un.
Quelqu'un.
Quelqu'un is someone, bache.
Yeah.
Tu écris quelqu'un. Repeat after me. Tu écris quelqu'un.
Tu écrire quelqu'un.
Il, elle écrit quelqu'un.
Elle écrire quelqu'un.
Nous écrivons quelqu'un.
Nous écrivons quelqu'un.
Vous écrivez quelqu'un.
Vous écrivez quelqu'un.
And ils, elles écrivent quelqu'un. Is it clear to you?
Elles écrivent quelqu'un.
Écrivent. Ils, elles écrivent. So you have to understand the pronunciation one thing. Écrire is just like a padna. Sorry.
Okay.
Écrire is sorry.
लिखना.
It's like a लिखना. Okay. Now you say मैं लिखना हूँ और मैं लिखता हूँ. Tell me.
मैं लिखता हूँ.
It means you converted na to ta.
Yeah.
In French also, bache. RE is my ending. RE is my ending. I have to convert RE with S with J, tu with S, il, L with T, nu with ONS, vous with EZ ending, and il, L plurial with ENT ending. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Now you came to know two things over here. Vulvar, je vois. Repeat after me. Je vois.
Je vois.
Tu
Tu
vois.
vois. Elle va. Nous volons.
Je vois. Repeat after me. Je vois.
Je vois.
Tu vois.
Tu vois.
Il, elle va.
Elle va.
Nous voulons.
Nous voulons.
Vous voulez.
Vous voulez.
Il, elle veulent.
Elle veulent.
Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Now you say obviously in English, obviously.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
say right, obviously we can do that. We want to do that. Obviously, clear? So bache, today we'll work for a pattern wherein obviously, if again I'm using obviously, because these are the words which you usually use in your routine. Okay. I can say evidamo, pen down please, and I will write it down for you. Repeat after me, evidamo.
Évidemment.
Evidamo is obviously. Repeat after me, evidamo.
Évidemment.
Repeat after me, evidamo is obviously. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Use the language out. Evidamo. Repeat after me.
Évidemment.
Obviously. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Now we have done want, right? To want, which is vulvar verb. Clear? Okay. Now, for example, we have verb to can. To can is my full verb with pouvoir. Pouvoir is my full verb to can. Pouvoir. Repeat after me. Pouvoir.
Pouvoir.
Is it clear to you? Okay.
Yeah.
So repeat after me. Je peux is to I can. Repeat after me. Je peux.
Je peux.
Tu peux.
Tu peux.
Il, elle peut.
Elle peut.
Nous pouvons.
Nous pouvons.
Vous pouvez.
Vous pouvez.
Ils, elles peuvent. Is it clear to you?
Okay.
But say repeat after me because these are the conjugation, like you have done vulvar conjugation.
Hmm.
Is vulvar. Vulvar is je veux. Clear. I want. So I can
Hmm.
is je peux. This is you have to understand by heart. Is it clear to you? I can say tu veux, you want. I can say tu peux, you can. Is it clear to you? Clear? I can say il, elle veut, he, she wants. But I can say he, she can is il, elle peut. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Nous voulons. Repeat after me. Nous voulons, we want. And nous pouvons is we can.
Okay.
Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Vous, vous voulez. Vous voulez. Is it clear to you? Is to you want. And vous
Hmm.
pouvez is to you can. Okay. And il, elle, val. Il, elle, val is to they want. And il, elle, peuvent is to they can. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
If you say, I can do, I can buy. Now you will speak the language. I can speak. Now what I said. Now you can speak. See, these are my model verbs. I can speak. We can make. We want to buy. You say, you say these terms in English. Tell me yes and no. We
Yes.
want to speak. So how to convert in? Simple. What is I can bache? Je peux.
Je peux.
C'est clair bache? So I can
Hmm.
say je peux. Do is my verb. Faire.
Hmm.
Faire is my verb to do bache. Repeat after me. Faire. Faire
Fair.
is my verb to do. I can say je peux faire. Is it clear to you? If you will
Okay.
say I can buy, I can say je peux acheter. Acheter is my verb to buy. Repeat after me, bache. Acheter.
Acheter.
Yes. Acheter is my verb to buy. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Clear, bache? I can speak. Je peux.
Parler.
Yes. We can make. What is we can? Nous pouvons.
Nous.
It means nous pouvons. It means you came to know that these modal verbs, want and can, is a major important verb. If you know these things, you can at least make. See what I'm using in English, you can at least make. I'm using modal verb, you
Hmm.
can. Right? Nous
Hmm.
pouvons faire is my verb to make. Say Claire, we want to buy, but you tell.
So do and make has the same. It
Yes,
means fair.
yes. Clear? Okay. So what to say we want to buy?
Vous
Non, non,
avez.
nous voulons.
Nous voulons
C'est clair. Nous voulons acheter.
acheter.
Is it clear to you? We want to
Okay.
speak. Tell me we want to speak. Nous
Nous voulons
voulons.
parler.
Yes. Is it clear to you? Clear?
Mm-hmm.
Now, for example, you say, I want to learn. But see, you have to learn those verbs. Very important. I want to learn. You can understand. You say in English. Tell me yes and no.
Yeah.
So, bache, what is I want? Tell me what is I want.
Je vais. Je
Je
vais.
veux, je veux
Je veux.
apprendre. Apprendre is my verb to learn. Is it clear to you? Apprendre.
Apprendre.
Yes, is my verb to learn. Apprendre. Repeat after me. Apprendre. Repeat after me.
Apprendre.
Yes. You can understand. I can say tu peux, comprendre, comprendre. Apprendre is my verb to learn and comprendre is my verb to understand. Is it clear to you?
Okay.
Clear?
Comprendre.
Yes. So apprendre, learn, comprendre, understand. Repeat after me. Apprendre, comprendre. Repeat after me.
Apprendre. Comprendre.
I will give you one thing. We have verb
Mm-hmm.
prendre. Prendre is my verb to take. So apprendre is to learn, comprendre is
Okay.
to understand, and prendre is to take. Is it clear to you?
Okay.
If you will say I can take, and I want to take.
Java.
I can. Je peux बच्चे. I can.
Sorry.
Je
Je
peux
peux
prendre. Okay. I
prendre.
want to take. Je veux.
Prendre.
C'est clair बच्चे. So now
Yeah.
in this we have done something like a lot of verbs like prendre, apprendre, comprendre, vouloir, pouvoir, conjugation, right? We have
Yeah.
I can do that. Tu as quelque chose, tu as quelqu'un. So, bache, what you need to do is see why we record the session. Tell me.
So that we can hear it again and again.
Yes, you have to listen the session at least. I would say multiple times. See, language is never come. Do is to fair. No, this is not a kiddish. You're learning the language as a professional. So just record the session. So just listen the recording multiple times. And the moment you listen, I can do je peux faire, then you will say, okay, je peux faire, and use this technique in your daily routine. You know, I can speak. Yeah, je peux parler. C'est clair. But you use this
Mm,
technique and you will learn the language then. Is it clear to you?
mhm.
So I
Yeah.
don't want to go for a very heavy session because it's very major what we have prone to up prone to comprehend, which you have to digest, which you have to
Yeah.
encourage. C'est clair évidemment, obviously, c'est clair. So,
Yeah.
बच्चे, practice with the session, and what I will decide now, obviously, which will do going forward. See, what you need to do is whatever we have done today. Now, for example, you have to repeat first. You have to speak. You have to basically speak those things in the next session. Then we can start with the next. Is it clear to you?
Yep.
Now, for example, whatever we have done today, so the moment we
Mm,
start the class tomorrow, first you have to
mm.
explain everything for 5-10 minutes. Okay, then we'll move.
Okay.
Say clear, bache.
Okay.
Is it clear to you? So, bache, practice hard
Yes.
with the session. Okay, and I will catch you tomorrow.
Mhm.
Okay, bache.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, bache.
Thank you.
Okay. चलो, au revoir, बच्चे आप यहाँ तो and I
Bye
will.
bye.
Okay.